What is happening, guys? So I'm back with another video. We're here today chilling at the dirt bike track. It's kind of an open spot and I thought it'd be good for this video. So today I got this new little speaker, Diamondboxx 40 TWS. This little thing's badass. I just wanted something simple for the house and to slap in the Ranger when I go cruise. So yeah, I already did an unboxing. This guy, packaging on it is actually really good. So comes like that, all nice and felt lined and stuff. You got your instruction manual, comes with a charging cord and an aux cord, so that's pretty cool. That's all that came in that package. Alright, dang bugs flopping around. So here it is. Yeah, this thing's pretty freaking cool. Let's see here. So yeah, it's got two tweeters each side. Then it's got these two passive radiators right in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. And then on the back, it's got your aux in, and then your aux out, charging port, then a USB to charge your phone while it's playing, and a reset button, anything wonky happens. In the top, you got your volume down, volume up, on button, skip back, play, skip forward. I think that's to link another two sets together, so that's pretty cool. And then your Bluetooth, and this thing's actually got hand sensor, so when you put your hand close to it, this actually lights up. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, this little thing's pretty loud. Give you guys a size comparison. So here is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Kind of gives you an idea on the size. Not too bad, it's pretty little. Kind of the size of it. So yeah, we're gonna play something real quick. Let you guys hear what it sounds like, see how far out I can go. Hopefully this wind works with us, so let's check it out. Alright, so go here. Bluetooth's already on. Go here and hold this down. You hear it fire up.
Connected.
It'll have three, if you can see that, it'll have three orange dots. That's your battery percentage. It says connected, so yeah, we're good. So now we're gonna play something here. This is gonna be a full volume.
The land of the free mind, the home of the streamline, the decayed bird sings, and I guess I'ma sing blind. Hold up, let's rewind, I'ma start from the beginning. 1991, yeah, that was the first inning. Physical evidence can be just as irrelevant when the truth is so evident. Golden, it was heaven sent. I was made for this, didn't ever pay for this. God's engineering, he gave me this, and I don't care if you feel me. Either way, you gon' hear me. Take a breather, now I worry. If you ain't in no hurry, I'ma take my time. This is me, reading in between every line.
I'm sure if you guys can still hear that. Yeah, it gets pretty loud. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you can hear it. I know the wind. I don't have a windscreen on this camera yet, so hopefully it sounded decent. I'm trying to be outside, you know, give you guys a distance test. I don't know how far that was. I just went back maybe 20-25 feet. But yeah, it's a little beast. If you're looking at getting a cheaper Diamondboxx that's more portable, a little bit more portable, go for it. It was like $100 on Amazon, so yeah. So that's pretty much it. Hope you liked the review. Comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Probably down the road I'm probably gonna get the bigger Diamondboxx, I'm not gonna lie, but we'll have to see. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.